Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Lexus IS 500. In the landscape of large sports sedans, the 2024 Lexus IS 500 emerges as a formidable contender, blending performance, luxury, and reliability in a sleek and sophisticated package. As the latest addition to Lexus's esteemed IS lineup, the IS 500 exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering dynamic driving experiences while maintaining the renowned Lexus standards of comfort and refinement. At the heart of the 2024 Lexus IS 500 lies a potent 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, delivering a robust 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive configuration, the IS 500 offers exhilarating acceleration and precise power delivery. With its responsive throttle response and refined engine note, the IS 500 delivers a thrilling driving experience that enthusiasts crave. The IS 500's dynamic capabilities are further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Lexus engineers have fine-tuned the sedan's suspension and steering for optimal performance, ensuring precise handling and responsive feedback. The IS 500 features performance-tuned dampers and springs, providing excellent stability and control through corners. High-performance brakes offer confident stopping power and precise modulation, allowing drivers to confidently tackle challenging driving conditions. Visually, the 2024 Lexus IS 500 exudes a sporty and aggressive presence, with its bold design elements and distinctive styling cues. Its exterior features a striking spindle grille, sculpted aerodynamic lines, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance-oriented character. The IS 500 rides on 19-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to personalize the IS 500's appearance, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the IS 500 offers a luxurious and technologically advanced environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge amenities. The interior boasts sports seats with leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and aluminum trim accents. The IS 500 is equipped with Lexus's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium Mark Levinson sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Lexus IS 500. The sedan comes equipped with Lexus's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, the IS 500 offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Lexus IS 500 offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and reliability in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the IS 500 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.